Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at YouTube SEO, and we're going to be looking at if you're just starting out and you're a beginner. So this will be some great tips to how to obviously get more views on your YouTube channel by doing the YouTube SEO for beginners. You will find out exactly how you can rank your videos higher in the YouTube algorithm. So let's crack straight on and find out all about YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO, so all revolves around keywords, guys. Keywords are the key element to YouTube's SEO, and it's a question of where you actually put those keywords and how you search those keywords, etc. Find out the best keywords to use. Now, you want to use what they call long tail keywords, so maybe ones that have got phrases such as 2, 3, 4, maybe even 5 or more words in, okay, because you're going to actually find that they are easier to rank for. Now, there are various ways you can actually go and find these keywords. You could also go into YouTube itself, because it is obviously an actual search engine itself, where you could actually just start typing in the word you want, and then obviously YouTube is going to chuck out variations underneath in a drop down that they obviously recommend. So these are all terms that people are already searching for. Okay, so these could be good keywords to actually use in your video and to do a video about. You could also use Google itself as well, but obviously this is obviously going to be people searching on Google, not on actual YouTube. But again, it could give you some good, obviously, keywords that you could use and could rank for high in YouTube. Now, like I say, you want to find out whether there is the best keyword. So I'd recommend an actual Google extension that you can download called vidIQ. They've got a website as well, which you can actually go onto the website. You can put in a keyword phrase and it will actually tell you related keywords you can actually find, and also it tells you what the competition is and how much the search volume is for the month, so you can tell whether it's actually worth doing a video about those keywords. The first thing you obviously do need to know about obviously YouTube SEO is keywords, where to get them, which ones to use, but the last thing is you've got to know where to actually put these keywords. Okay, so let's just go through exactly where you want to put the keywords. So there are various ways of where you actually want to actually put these keywords. Now, for argument's sake, the first one is if you are actually doing a voiceover for, or actually on camera yourself doing your video, then make sure you obviously speak the actual keywords specifically at the front and the front few minutes of the video. So you'll notice that on this video I said YouTube SEO quite a few times, because that's what I want to try and rank for this video. Okay, so again I've said YouTube SEO, so you've done it again. So you definitely want to obviously say the keywords within your actual voice, with your voice in your actual script. So make sure you put that in, and specifically if you can at the front. Also, you want to put your keywords in your title. As you can see here, my title is YouTube SEO for beginners, more views on your YouTube video. So as you can see here, I've got YouTube SEO at the beginning of the title again. So it's YouTube SEO is what I want to obviously rank for. Okay, you also need it in your description. So if you've got a description that you obviously add to most videos, which I recommend that you actually do that, then obviously make sure that your keywords that you want to try and rank for are in the first paragraph. Okay, so make sure they're in there maybe a couple of times if you can, but make sure you don't just actually add the keywords. Make sure you write them in a sentence that is obviously flows really well and is a normal sentence. Okay, so don't just add in the title, the actual keyword itself, because then obviously YouTube could penalize you for like what they call keyword stuffing. So make sure it's done in a natural way. The other way you could obviously add in keywords, and there's sort of some people say yes, some people say no about this, but I certainly add this to on all my videos, and I do quite well in ranking some of my videos in the top of YouTube, and that is adding them into tags. Okay, so now you've got obviously tags that you can add to each video underneath the video, and make sure you obviously add in as many tags as you can related to your keywords. And again, vidIQ is very, very good for this. And obviously you can get the vidIQ extension for free. So there's two ways you can actually do this. You can actually search YouTube and actually pick out videos that are already ranking at the top of YouTube. And then if you click on the video, by the side, to the right hand side of it, vidIQ, the extension, will give you all the tags they are using. Now again, like I say, sometimes they're not using any tags, or they're only using 2 or 3, and they're still ranking on the top of YouTube, which is obviously why people say sometimes tags is good or not good. But I certainly recommend that you add them into your tags, and I would try and fill the tags to the maximum. And obviously you've normally got like channel tags that you actually want to actually put in, so I'd put those in as well. So you certainly need at least probably, I normally put between 10 and 15 tags, and again you can pick those up from vidIQ just by searching in the keywords, and it will give you relative tags that you can actually try and rank for. So that's the easiest way to obviously do this without the guessing. Now before we go, there are other things that obviously do help with your YouTube SEO, and we're going to quickly run through those just before we leave the video. And these are obviously upload consistently. Okay, so make sure you are uploading videos on a weekly basis, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, I would recommend. Also, make sure you obviously stick to one particular niche per channel. Okay, because if you are jumping from a personal blog saying you're doing a video about your holidays, and the next time you're doing a video about YouTube SEO, for argument's sake, certain people that obviously are going to follow you for one thing are not going to want to know about the other thing. So make sure you try and stick to one particular niche on your channel, because you're going to get better rankings then, because YouTube is going to actually know of what your channel is about. Whereas if you're jumping from one thing to another, YouTube is not really going to know what to rank your videos for. So you're going to have to give it some help by literally just sticking to the one niche. Also as well, you've got to have a good thumbnail. Okay, so it's all right getting high in the rankings, but to get more views, you're going to need a good thumbnail as well. You make sure you check out the video I did. I'll put a link above here to a video I did all about creating a thumbnail on YouTube as well. So make sure you obviously check out that video as well. And the last thing is, obviously, you want to get people to watch as many videos as you can. So it's obviously directed you to another video now, which you may then go and click on and watch. So the more session time you get, the higher you will obviously your videos will, the better your videos will perform, and the more YouTube will put you in front of other people to watch your video. That's how it works. Okay, so again, any opportunity you have to get people to subscribe, to also get people to watch other videos, you need to go and do that as well. All of this put together is going to give you a good basis for your YouTube SEO, which is going to get you more views on your YouTube videos. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.